everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to show you this custom journal that I put together. It's sold, and so I finished it, and I'm going to mail it off to the customer. So some of it you might have seen when we were putting, when I showed you the kits and kind of like a sample of what it might look like. And so we stitched it together, and I'll show you what this is in a second. It's basically elastic cord, but I didn't want it to just be black, so I sewed some of this tulle on either end of it just to cover it up. But it is, detachable. She can take it off. So here is some of the leftover scraps, which aren't too many. Used up a pretty good bit of them. Even had added a little extra, for the lining here, because I just wanted a nice lining to cover up the stitches on the inside. So here's our first signature. So we've got a pocket here and just tucked in some of those journaling cards. And then this is just really more for decorative purpose, but she probably could just tuck something in there or do some journaling. This page is left plain for whatever she wants to do with it. Then I just love adding fabric pages, and this just, it has a nice sound, a nice texture, and we've got a little bit of some ribbon running up there. This is a little strip of the paper, just something to add, a nice color to it, and, just kind of carry on the autumn pumpkins theme. Got a couple of tags in this pocket. And then in this, it's just kind of like a little, little tuck spot, not really like a full-on pocket. She could make it that way if she wanted to. But I thought, that's kind of cool too. Left this page like it is. I absolutely love it. And then, of course, that page was so pretty. Got some little flowers sewn on here. This is a little tuck spot. So she could just put something right down in there. This is a tuck spot here, and I just kind of put that there to show her what she could do. And when I tied my signatures together, I tied this cute little gold leaf at the bottom so that it could be used as a bookmark or whatever. She could, as she's journaling and wants to save a spot, she could do something like that. So, but I'm just going to leave them right down the signature. Just really cute. I like how they dangle at the bottom. So I'm just going to kind of do a little flip through here. Most of it's pretty much self-explanatory. But I just love these colors. And then this is the part that's detachable. She could take it out, she could undo it. We've got just a little fabric envelope here, and we've got some little goodies that we've sewn in here, and some wax paper, or maybe this is glassine paper. And so she could undo it if she wanted to and take it out. So I like to leave options depending on what she wants to do. And I just absolutely love that fabric. So now we're on to the second signature here. Got a little fabric pocket, and then also it could even be a tuck spot here. See, I like that. And then we've got a couple of the pieces of the paper with a little bit of the ribbon, the tulle ribbon, and then a little baby clothespin. I love those little clothespins. And then we've got this. This is like a belly band. It's not really a pocket, it's a belly band. And just kind of tuck that in there. And then on this, I just sewed this down on the paper. And then this is the middle of the signature. And again, I tied a little gold leaf there. This is a little tuck spot here. This is a fabric page with a pocket onto it. And then this is sewed here. And then this has a pocket, and I just kind of sewed some little goodies together. It's a leaf applique, and then a piece of paper. So it's easy to take apart if that's what she wanted to do. And Then we've got this beautiful ribbon here. Just absolutely love it. Did a little tuck spot. And then we've got the inside of that lining. Just absolutely love that. And then so then you can see where I had covered that up, and then you can see the stitching as well, which I kind of like that, and it kind of blends in with the doily anyway. So then these are the little charms, how they dangle. So this was absolutely fun to make. Super excited to send it to her. She's excited to receive it. I hope that she loves it. You know, I sent some pictures along the way, but then left up, you know, some of it to mystery. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll be back on here with another video shortly. We'll be announcing our Black Friday sales for next week, as well as our 12 days of Christmas starting December 1st. And then we'll also have another tutorial video showing how to put together the fabric pages for our Christmas fabric book. Thanks so much for watching.